Hello students, meet me again. I am Miss Vanisha Anggraini in our lesson Cross Culture Understanding. Well students, I hope you are well wherever you are and welcome to 8th session of this Cross Culture Understanding. Previous session we have talked a lot related to gender issues, cultural issues, and then having conflicts related to cultures, and then having friendship across culture. And now in this session we're going to discuss about celebration days. Well everyone, in this session the objective are you will learn about celebration, of course, in the United States and the Western world, particularly the religious holidays and national holidays. So everyone, enjoy your learning.